Just a little bit of Greenland style kayak rolling in the backyard pool next to the wood shop. It's a very hot and humid day, and I decided to take a little break from working on paddles in the hot, humid wood shop and cool off in the pool. And what better way to do it than to grab one of the kayaks, the Tahe Greenland, and a couple of the Joe O Greenland paddles that I make, hop into the boat and do a few rolls. And just before getting in, I thought, hey, well, why not do a video at the same time as well? So that's what we're going to do. Starting off with a little bit of side sculling, kind of warming up a little bit. This is only my second time in the kayak this year, and I didn't get to do any kayaking last year due to a very bad elbow injury. So I'm a little rusty, so pardon the sloppy technique here today, but it will get better, and I'll get back up to speed over the next little while. Coming up on the roll, I'm not getting down low enough onto the rear deck. For the standard Greenland roll, I should be getting down nice and low. So I've got to work on that a little bit. Like I say, it's been a couple years since I've done any rolls, so got to work on the little things, get back to the basics. But it'll come. And for this video, I decided I was going to do a few rolls from different angles, see what looks better on the camera from this side or that side. That's why I've got the boat facing different ways. Just kind of playing around. doing a couple of balance races here, and man, oh man, that was sloppy. That used to be so simple and smooth. Got a little bit of work to do to get that back up to speed, but a few more sessions, that should be looking a lot better. That was a little bit better, but it's still, yeah, got work to do. Oh, and so the white kayak on the background on the decking, that's my Nigel Dennis Greenlander Pro. That's the kayak I got in 2010. I was sponsored by Nigel Dennis Kayaks from the UK. And that's the one I used in getting the speed record back for circumnavigating Vancouver Island out in British Columbia. Got the fastest circumnavigation to that point, 16 days, 12 hours, and 16 minutes, I think it was. Yeah, good memories. Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd appreciate that, and hit the like and leave any good comments down below. Thanks a lot, and we'll be back soon with another video.